everybody, thank you for joining me for this video today. So today I have another episode for you on how to sell on Poshmark for beginners, talking all about how to look up comps or comparables on Poshmark before you list your item. So comps just means comparables. That means you're going to be looking up items similar or like the item that you're going to list before you list it, because you want to see what your item is selling for. For instance, if you have a free people top, you don't want to just price it at $20. It could be something that's very valuable. Maybe it's rare. Maybe people are looking for it. It's sold out online. So you want to look up and see what the comparables are as best as you can before you list your item to make sure you can get the best out of your listing. So many of you have probably heard of the word comps if you're watching other reselling content. It's a very common word that resellers use, and comps just means comparable. So you're looking up a comparable to compare how much you think you could sell your item for. So you're not going to be looking up what people necessarily have it listed for, although you can do that, and that will help you maybe to if they have a higher price, you could pick a little bit lower price to get your item seen more and people be more interested in your item because it's less expensive than another person's item in their closet. But you're going to be looking at solds to see what these items are actually selling for before you list them, because you don't want to list them too high that nobody is really interested because they don't think that they can purchase it for a decent price. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to look up comps on Poshmark. Okay, so first I want to show you guys a photo of the item I'm going to look up. This is a Free People top, and it is actually new with tags, so I will be filtering that when I get into Poshmark and show you guys exactly how I look up the comps or comparables for this particular top. So now I'm going to go in to Poshmark, and I am going to put in certain keywords in the search bar for this particular top. I'll put in Free People, embroidered, ivory. Those are different keywords. Sometimes if you know the name of the piece, you can look that specific piece up, but that's not always an option if you don't know what the name of it is. So let's go into Poshmark. I go into search listings, and I'm just going to put in Free People embroidered top and see what comes up. So once you search for that, you're going to go into filters, and you're going to filter by new with tags for mine because it's new with tags, and then filter again in the sold listings because I want to see what things are actually selling for. So there's lots of different ones here. You can see Free People items. There's bodysuits on here because there's not a spot for bodysuits actually on Poshmark, but as you look through, some of these are embroidered. That's kind of similar, that black one. And some of them are selling for $15 to $35, I would say. Those embroidered tops are different because they're long sleeves. So now I'm going to go back, I think, because I'm just not seeing anything really that similar to mine. So I'm going to go back up, I think, and change my keywords to ivory. And we'll try tank top to see what comes up. I'm gonna have to filter again because these are available. I want to filter to sold listings. There's a few here that are similar, that look, kind of like mine. Those ones kind of look like mine. 35, 20, so it's really all over the place. This one is similar, I would say, kind of. It's kind of cropped like mine is. It ties at the waist. So you kind of just look through and see if you can find one that's similar and see what it's selling for. You're probably not going to find anything exact unless there happens to be some up there. I'm going to filter again to new with tags because mine is new with tags, and it looks like there's only one. So that's not really helping me. I would say I can probably list this piece between 20 to 35. I think I'm probably going to list it at 35 because that's probably going to be the best option for me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video today. I hope that you liked it and that it was beneficial for you in your business and looking up how to find out what solds are on Poshmark. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. Like I said, I have a whole bunch of episodes for the series talking about how to sell on Poshmark for beginners. So make sure you subscribe so you can see when I post new videos for that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!